Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make plots in Tinctor in Python. So I have a project here, and I'm going to be explaining how and what I did in this project. So the result of this project is actually, if I go to plots, a watermelon. Now, it's actually really easy to do this, but it can be confusing to people. So I'm just going to try to clear your confusion on this. So first what you want to do is you want to import the Matplotlib library. So you can actually put all of this into here in this plot section. So you want to do import matplotlib.pyplot now, after all that, you can now start making your image. So before all of this, I would probably do this first. So plt.imshow data cmap. So cmap, this is what's really important in this project, because this is what gives the image the color, right? So cmap stands for color map, and NIPY spectral is the color map for this. So there are various ranges of color maps. So 10 is probably the dark green one. 5 is probably like white. 9 is probably like red, and then black is probably 1 in the color map. So to give you a better understanding of this, I think I should show you the site that I actually found these color maps on. Okay, so this is a site where I found my colors and color maps. So the one I used, as you can see, is NIPY spectral. Now, it's probably somewhere in here. So these are all the color maps in like this specific category. Now, the one I used is probably like one of the ones that had these colors in them. So whatever image you're doing, you have to pick the color map based on what image you're picking. So yeah, that concludes the CMap part of it. Plt.show is just to show the plot. And now this is where basically the meat and grime of the project is. It's actually the data, and that's just a variable name, and it uses a variable name, and you can make that whatever you want. I just called it data. And this variable name has to go here as well. That's why I put data on both. Now, you want to make a list. This is the confusing part, right? So you want to make a list. So here's the list. Now, you want to make a square bracket and then make another square bracket and then put all the numbers in, right? So you want to basically put a number, comma, and then do a number, and then comma, and then do a number, so on and so forth until you make a row. And this is based on like you, right? So you can make the row however long you want, however down you want. I just made it like let's see how much I made it. I'm about 15. I made the length 15, so that's cool. Of course, I can size this watermelon down by a lot, but I'm not gonna do that right now because that's gonna take a long time. And this code itself, it's easy, but it takes a long time. This took me about like 30 minutes, just like copy and pasting. It's easy, but it took a lot of time. So how I got these colors are basically 10 is the like, say I took this as my color map, right? 10 would be the max, right? 10 would be the max. So that'd be this dark red, and 1 would be here, like legit, just like black, right? here, or like a really dark navy blue, that would be 1. And all these numbers in the middle are based up on you. I just tweaked around with it, you know. But on something like this, like qualitative, it's actually it's much easier to know what colors you're doing. But yeah, so you can tweak around with all of this. It's basically just like your personality and what you want to do, what colors you want to do, what image you want to do. I can't really hold you back on that. It's just all your creativity. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you like my video, subscribe, like, and comment what I should do next.